Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create an image carousel and add it to a Ucraft website. Let's get started. The Image Carousel widget is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code. And close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now let's head to the Ucraft editor. Please note, in Ucraft the widget shows only if you connected a domain to your website. In the Ucraft editor, click Elements. In the menu, find the Custom HTML element. Drag the Custom HTML element and place it wherever you wish on the page. Now, in the Custom HTML window, simply add the widget code that you copied before and enter a label. Click the Embed Code button, and that's it. Now, the image carousel will show on your website.